Nessie, and I'm here with a special guest, Chastity, and she's my cousin. So as you can see by that title, guys, we're gonna be making some slime. So I can't wait. And let's see, guys. So she never made slime. Put it away. Whatever, come on, baby. But let's get to the video because she never made slime. Okay guys, so we're back and here we got some glue and some activator, guys. This is the only thing I could have bought. So we're gonna put some here. First we're gonna have to add your glue here. Add it. Just hold it still right there. Then that's how much she's putting. And then I'm gonna put some. Guys, oh, and I don't got that much activate because I wasted it all on this, a whole bunch of this slime. And I still got more. I got rubber band slime. And we're gonna add some activator. It's not even open. Mix it with your hands. Keep on mixing it. I'm gonna mix mine now. Hold it. You need more? This is how mine is looking so far. Look how mine is looking so far. I wanted to add decorations and I think I am. Yeah, me too. We're gonna be adding some beads. I'm only gonna get one for each. But they're not too much, right? There's only two. So I think she's getting the yellow one. Oh wait, no, when the slimes are finished. Whatever guys, thank you guys for watching this video. Like, comment, and subscribe. What? Like. I'm just kidding. But guys, this won't finish, so we might be doing a part 2 of it. Ya no sé ni cuándo fue. Ya no sé cómo te las glue. Si yo no puedo seguir sé que te boté, de mi vida te boté. Guys, comment down below if you know the song. Que mi banda te solté, yo te solté. Ay, carajo, usted se fue, de mi vida te boté, yo te boté. Hurry up, Chastity. Baby, dámelo. I only said hurry up because it's about to finish for me. Do you need help? Yeah. Bro. We're making slime in public. So this is our slime. De mi vida te boté. Now because it's gonna be putting our beads. What color you want? I want orange. Okay, yellow. So hold up, no, not yet. So we just put it on the plate. Try to clean it off. There. So this is how it looks. All our slime. That's hers. And things. So let's put it in. And mix. This is how it looks, mine. I don't really like the bead.